Hi, welcome back to Client Solutech. How to replace, how to find and then replace any word or sentence in your document file. It's very important and very useful option, especially to replace words in a large document file. It can be a website name. To replace a website name, it can be a spelling or word or any object that you want to replace. So open your document and just click on find, or you can click on replace. So the shortcut method to use is Ctrl plus H. So select, click on replace, and now find what and replace with. So find what, for example, here we have written website. So instead of website, we want to change website into web applications. We want to change this word website into web application. So what we have to do is find what we want to find, website, and now we want to replace with web application. Now we have two options. We can click on replace all, and we can also click on one by one. So let's see first one by one. Replace, click once. Now you can see website is changed into web application. Now it's going to change this one. Keep watching it. Replace, now it's web application, and from now here replace and replace. But we can also do replace all. So now we made 48 replacement. So 48 times website word is found in this document, and now it is replaced with web application, and then click on yes. Now the work is done, all done. We made 51 replacement. Okay. So this is the way you can use it, and you can also use find option to find through find option. And here if we search on website, now we can see that we couldn't find any word related to website, but if we click on web application, we are able to find out it, and here are the results in a document where the web application is present. So this is the way to use it, and we can also use a shortcut keys to do it. We can also use find and replace function, and it's very useful and effective option. I hope you will practice it, and let's we move on the next video. Upcoming videos I will share more details about Microsoft Word with you, the important function that is useful in our daily life in personal and professional works. Thank you very much.